Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial. Let's just start off with this Urban Decay primer potion, and I'm just putting on my eyelids to prep for eyeshadow. And I'm going to be taking my lmao translucent powder just to set my eyelids with this Morphe brush. It came in a set, so I don't know what it's called or anything. And then I'm going to be taking my Modern Renaissance palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills and just blending Real Gar into my crease, I believe. And yeah, I'm going to be taking a little bit of Cypress Umber as well, just kind of deepen up the crease, and I'm just winging the eyeshadow out a little bit, and yeah, just making sure everything is blended nicely. Then I'm taking my Sleek Cream Contour Palette and then just using this MAC brush, I don't know what it's called, just to kind of cut out the crease, and I'm just doing a half cut crease. And then after that I'm just setting it with my Laura Mercier powder again. So it looks like this, and I'm taking my NYX Ultimate Brights palette and taking this color there and just putting it on where I did my concealer, and then just adding a bit more Cypress Umber into the outer corner just to deepen it up a little bit and just blend that out. Now I'm taking my Essence Super Precise eyeliner, and I'm just going to be drawing a line on my eyelid like so, then a little wing and just kind of connecting it. It takes a little bit of practice. Even now I'm not that good at it, but yeah, the best I can do. And I'm taking my Sosu lashes from Primark, and these are in the shade Kylie, and also my Duo Eyelash Adhesive in Dark Tone. And I'm just pushing it on. And I'm taking my Essence Instant Volume Boost mascara. It's so good, I love it, my favourite mascara. And then my Too Faced Hangover Primer. It was a bit washed out, I don't know why you couldn't see it, but anyway. Then my NARS Sheer Glow Foundation in the shade Punjab. And I'm just taking this Morphe brush that came in a set, you know, that didn't have a name, and I'm just blending it out with that. Then my Rimmel London Wake Me Up concealer, yeah, that's what it's called, and just putting on my forehead, any blemishes, my nose, cupid's bow and chin. I don't know if that's cupid's bow, like, you know, upper lip. And then I'm taking it under my eyes as well, then blending out my Real Techniques Miracle Complexion sponge. So I'm just setting it now with my Beauty Blender with a bit of Laura Mercier translucent powder on it, and just around the main areas of my face where I put concealer on. Then I'm taking my Bare Minerals Bare Pro powder foundation just to set the rest of my face and add a bit more coverage. Not that I really need it, but you know. Then my Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula. I actually managed to say that word. Physicians. Anyway, so I'm just taking it on this blush brush from Wilkinson's and just putting it on my cheekbones, chin, forehead and nose, you know, the usual places. And this is not dark enough for me, so I do go in and use my Technique Color Fix contour palette and just take that color on the end there, which is like the more deep color, and it's a bit more like a bronzy color, and just using that to bronze up my face a little bit more, and then taking this shade, the shade next to it, and just contouring with it. For blush, I'm using this Technique Get Gorgeous highlighter, and I know it's a highlighter but I use it as a blush. It's in the shade Peach Candy. And then for highlighter, I'm going to be taking my Laura Geller Baked Illuminate Swell thing in the shade Gilded Honey, putting on my cheekbones, above my brows, and my nose, my chin, my brow bone, and my inner corners. It really just brightens up the eyes. I love doing on my inner corners. And yeah, so then I'm spraying my face with my Primark Primer Water. So good. It replaced my MAC Fix Plus it was only £2. Then after that, I just like to brush out my eyebrows, just make sure they're looking even. Then taking this Primark brow gel, and this is a tinted one, and just kind of setting them in place. So now I'm just taking this NYX white eyeliner in the shade Milk, and I'm just putting that on my waterline. It just really brightens up the eyes, and you don't have to do that. You can put a black eyeliner or you can put a nude one. And then I'm just taking some of Real Gold and Cypress Umber on my lower lash line, and then taking this lip liner, I think it's from Rimmel, I'm not completely sure, and just lining my lips. And I'm using this liquid lipstick from Colourpop, and it's in the shade Frickin' Frack. I think it's the Ultra Satin Lip, but I'm not completely sure. And yeah guys, aside from the lipstick, or after that, that's basically the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed the makeup tutorial, and I'll see you in my next one. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye!